probably already heard of hacks or tricks that are supposed to make your life easier, right? So, today we're going to talk about 5 very useful military tips that will make your life even easier. Peeing in the shower. It's not just about saving water. According to the medical community, urinating in the shower can prevent and heal athlete's foot. This is because urine has natural properties such as uric acid and ammonia, which help fight infections caused by fungi. Using tampons for first aid. Female absorbents are of great help in case of emergency. You can tape it to the wound to staunch bleeding. In addition, you can also put them in your shoes to warm the soles and absorb the sweat. Did you like the first 2 tips? If so, then like and subscribe to our channel to help us out. Sprinkling sugar on cuts and wounds. Did you know that it's possible to put sugar on a wound? Sugar can prevent bacteria from multiplying because they can't survive in a high sugar content, according to a study by the University of Arizona Medical School. Surely your grandmother has used this method before, since it was very popular in the past. If you ever get injured, cover the wound with sugar until first aid can be applied. Leggings. Leggings can warm you up. Leggings aren't just for running or enhancing your style. They can also be worn under almost all pants without being noticed, and this will keep you warm at really low temperatures. Lighting a bonfire. Want to make the fire on the grill quickly? A cotton ball and petroleum jelly or cooking oil may be the solution. Cover a cotton ball with Vaseline and light it on fire. Once this is done, you will have a strong, stable flame that will continue to burn for longer. Did you like these tips? If you know of any other tricks that aren't on the list, share them with us in the comment section. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.